Prayer. O Mother of God, O Queen of Angels, O Hope of men, listen to him who invokes thee and has recourse to thee. Behold me today prostrate at thy feet. I, a miserable slave of hell, consecrate myself to thee as thy servant forever, offering myself to serve and honor thee to the utmost of my power all the days of my life. I know that thy honor is not increased by the service of so vile and wretched a slave as I am, who have so grievously offended thy Son and my Redeemer, Jesus. But if thou wilt accept one so unworthy as I for thy servant, and changing him by thy intercession, wilt render him worthy, thy own compassion will confer upon thee that honor which I, vile as I am, cannot render thee. Accept me, then, and do not reject me, O my Mother. The eternal Word came from heaven upon earth to seek the lost sheep, and to save them, became thy Son. And wilt thou despise a poor sheep who comes to thee to help him find Jesus? The price has already been paid for my salvation. My Savior has shed his blood, which is enough to save infinite worlds. It only remains this blood should be applied to me, and to thee it belongs, O Blessed Virgin, to thee it belongs, as St. Bernard says, to bestow the merits of this blood on whomsoever it may please thee. To thee it belongs, as St. Bonaventure says, to save me whom thou wilt. O my Queen, help me then, my Queen, save me. To you this day I commit my soul, and do thou secure its safety. O salvation of those who invoke thee, I will exclaim with the same saint, save me.